So in today's video we are going to discuss an amazing new way to actually take advantage of a very interesting business model, where you can just find videos that you are already interested in and passionate about on YouTube. And you can get paid literally just to do that. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer screen, so I can show you guys exactly how this works. But fair warning, this is a little bit complicated strategy. So don't skip around the video, so make sure that you do watch it all the way through. Because the truth is, if you can't watch 10 minutes free video on YouTube, how do you expect to earn money online? Before we jump to the website, let's go to YouTube and look for the most viral and trending topics or videos in YouTube. As you see on the screen, there are a lot of viral videos. Choose one of these viral videos. Scroll down until you find one of the best viral videos. For example, I am going to choose this video, because it got 3 million views in just 3 months. After you click the video, copy the link of the video, and after you copied the link, I am going to show how to use this link to get a lot of money. So now let's jump into the website that you will use this viral video link in it. This is the website that we are going to talk about today, which calls AdFly. AdFly website is a URL shortener that rewards the publishers of the shortened links by offering a part of the advertising revenue. So in this website you will need to paste the video link that you copied from YouTube to shorten it like I am doing right now. But in the first you should create an account in this website to get money from it. Before I show you how to sign up in this website, let me show you the payout rates in AdFly website. As you see the CPM of April month. The CPM meaning is a marketing term that refers to the cost an advertiser pays for 1,000 advertisement impressions on a web page, as illustrated on the screen, that you will earn $59.80 per 1,000 person from the United States clicking your shortened link, and $37.06 per 1,000 person from Canada, and also $43.46 per 1,000 person from the United Kingdom, and so on, the whole countries illustrated to you. After I showed you the payout rates, now I am going to show you how to sign up in this website. You can sign up via your Gmail account, or you can register via your email, and choose the way that fits you. After you sign up, you will go to your dashboard. That looks like this. Your dashboard will look like this after you sign up in this website. From this dashboard you will see how many people interacted with your shortened links. The people who will interact with your shortened link, they will watch advertisements related to this website. And when the people on any social media platform click your links, you will see all the video click statistics in this dashboard. All you will need to do is to copy any viral video link and paste it here to shorten it. And after that, paste the shortened link on any social media platform such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. And the people who will click your links, they will let you make passive income from AdFly website. So guys, don't waste your time by doing useless things online while there is AdFly website that will give you money by copying and pasting links. Take the chance guys to benefit from this website like many people benefit from it. In the end of this video, I wish the best to every one of you guys to benefit from AdFly website.